satisfying. Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to a new video. So today we are at the AMG Performance Center, Bratislava-Lamač. Special thanks for having us here today with this amazing setup of 3 G63s 4x4 squared, and in this video we'll check out all of these 3 G classes and their specs, and we will also check out the sound from the exhaust of the V8 engines. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section down below which out of these 3 is your favorite. Alright, so we will check out the exterior now and I will tell you about the specs. All of these 3s are currently, as of today, for sale, and maybe tomorrow they will be sold, who knows, but today they are actually for sale. Alright guys, so this one is the historic blue manufactured metallic paint, so-called China blue before. Right now it's called the historic blue, and the combination of the interior is actually red one, which is I don't think I've seen this before, maybe yes, maybe not, but it's very interesting. This one is classic red, exclusive, as you can see, diamond stitching, really beautiful. Also you can see here G63 4x4 squared. Let's not forget the G class. You need to slam the doors in order to close them. Also very nice carbon fiber extensions of the wheel arches. And the wheels, we can see here, we have the combination of this sort of aluminium and black. Check it out, matte black. And the calipers are red on all of these cars. And tires are the same, Scorpion ATR. These are the Pirellis as well. And we can check out also the tire size. So the tire size is 325, 55, R22. These are actually pretty off-road tires. You can see M plus S also for the winter. So they are like a winter, summer, off-road, on-road, just about any time. So yeah, very nice in terms of these specs. Also, if you flash the high beams, the top ones are flashing as well together. So here is the historic blue, China blue, with the classic red interior. Let's hop inside. So only this car has the carbon fiber, which is in matte, not gloss finish, and also this classic red in terms of the interior. You can also see here the manual sunroof, and yeah, really gorgeous this interior as well because of the red. I really like this one. Plain black is for me nice, but for this high level car I would go for something different than black. So either this is for me maybe too much, so I would probably go for the interior, which is the platinum white, and this would be second choice for me. Let me know how do you feel in the comments. This one is the standard Napa steering wheel, very nice one, but yeah, maybe I would go for the carbon fiber in a high level vehicle such as this one. So the seat belts are black in this car, and in the next one, you can already see, are red one. So very interesting specs. Let me know definitely which one is your favorite. In the end of the video I will tell you which one is favorite of mine. So then we go to the middle. This one is the obsidian black metallic. So this is the so-called classic black, which you get from Mercedes and also the AMG when you are ordering basically your typical black metallic paint. That's the obsidian black. And we can check out also the interior. Alright, so here is the interior of the obsidian black one. You can see diamond stitching, and this one is the platinum white and black combination with red seat belts. You can see them also here. So this is how it would look. Very nice seat belts, and this one is still with the protection foil, but you can see also there the diamond stitching and how the seat looks. Also this one you need to open manually, so you can see how it looks. Alright, so this is the obsidian black one, in the interior platinum white and black. Really gorgeous one, probably my favorite out of these 3. Let me know how do you like this one. Really gorgeous, this interior. And also check out the digital rear view mirror. And yeah, this one is my favorite, I would say. Carbon fiber steering wheel, dynamic on the side, and this platinum white. This is my choice in terms of the interiors. And red seat belts, how gorgeous is that? And now we are with the last one, which is the manufacturer platinum Magno. Really beautiful paint. I also did full review on this exact car, is on the channel, so make sure to check out in full detail this particular car. Alright, so let's take a look at the platinum Magno. This one is also manufacturer. The obsidian black is your typical, so it's not manufacturer. As well as night package 2 darkens here the V8 bi-turbo badge, and the carbon fiber trim on the outside is on all of them, so you can see it's on all of these. You can also see the washer fluid. I don't want to mess this with the washing this car, so yeah, we will not try this right now, but it is possible, of course. So the wheels on this one and on the black one, on the platinum one and on the black one, are the same actually. So you can see that the design is basically the same on both of these, and also the brake calipers on all of these trees is the same in the red color. Alright, so here is your interior. This one is black Napa leather, just black, sort of just. It doesn't have any sort of combinations. This is only the black one, and but it's not typical black because we have the contrast stitching in white. So on your typical black you have everything in black. This one is like a white stitching. I would even say that it's sort of like a light gray, the color of the stitching. So yeah, this one also has the steering wheel, which is in leather, Napa leather, so your sort of standard steering wheel, and the trim is gloss carbon fiber. So here we have gloss, on the black one we have gloss, and on the blue one we have the matte carbon fiber trim. So those are the differences. We need to slam these as well. So in terms of the wheel options, the black one has matte black wheels, also with the red brake calipers. Check it out. So basically it's the same design on all of these, but on this one is different color choice. So a little bit of the aluminum, and here is a full black, but the calipers are red in all of these cars. Also the carbon fiber wheel arches are on all of them. Also this China Blue Historic Blue has a night package 2 and 1, so the AMG specific grille is in black. Also the Mercedes star, as well as the AMG logo. If you check it out, here is the same, black and black, and on this one it's black and black as well. So all of these have night package 1 and 2. You can check out now the sides. You can see this massive exhaust with AMG logos, which are everywhere on this car. And also check out here the carbon fiber, really beautiful as well. So on the black one and the platinum one you have the roof rack with the leather. On this one you don't have this, so you could choose, and you can choose which one do you want on the roof. I think, my personal opinion, I would go for the leather and the roof because it's fun. You can also utilize this. You can have something on the roof, but you can also like climb on the top, which I don't know, it's fun. And yeah, I would like to have this on my car. Also you can see this trim piece in matte black, so when the cars from behind are driving, so they don't go underneath the car, so that's like the protection, so because the car is too high with the ground clearance. And all of these have a carbon fiber here on the wheel, 4x4 squared, and Mercedes star is in black. You can see it also here and also here, so it's the same as well. And the night package 2 I can see easily because we have the AMG logo here in gloss black, and also the G63 in gloss black as well. Ultra wide shots now. You can also see the G63 here in gloss black, as well as on this one AMG, and here G63 as well. And AMG here. So let me know which one is your favorite. So here we can see from the side very nicely the side profile of the 4x4 squared and how much taller it is from your typical regular G63. The capabilities for the off-road are really huge, and we have also portal axles which are uniquely combined in this case because they give you more road capabilities which are much better in the G63 than in G500 which was before. And also this one is not as tall as G500, so in terms of practicality is also a little bit better. So from the top you cannot see that you don't have the roof rack, only from the side, and from the back you can see it here, the roof, and also there. So that's what I would like to have on my car. So I can tell you right away I would choose between these two. Maybe if I would ask if it's possible to retrofit, but yeah, I would choose between these two. So if I would have to choose between one of these three, I would choose between these two just because of the roof rack, I would say. This one is like extravagant spec for me, especially the combination of this sort of baby blue, China blue, historic blue with this red. So it's not something I would go for personally, but I don't think it looks bad. So I think it looks pretty exotic actually. So really exotic option, which some people actually might like, that's for sure. So which one would I go for? Can you guess? We are eliminating this one because of the roof, and it's too exotic for me, this color. So out of these two, which one would I go for? The more practical one is this one, because you will see less the dirt on this paint, I think, than on the black one. On the black one you can see everything always, so this one is more practical. Also the interior is black, so in terms of the practicality this one is the best. This one is your, like every 90% or so G classes are in black, but it has a very nice interior, and also the seat belts are red. I really love this white interior, this sort of light gray white, this platinum interior, and also red seat belts. So I would go for this one because of the interior seat belts, and I would put matte PPF on this car, so it has a matte shade similar to this one, the Magno. So that's what I would do if I would have a chance to pick one of these three cars. So also let's check out the boot. I want to show you this boot because it is very nice with this carbon fiber and also this beautiful white leather. We have some accessories here as well, and on this one we have red. So check out red and white, and on the last one we have black interior, so that would be black. And yeah, let's check this out. So this one is black, as you can see. We need to slam these doors properly. So yeah, the G-Class is huge in terms of the cargo capacity. So to increase the cargo capacity you can also get the net here, and that would block the cargo going into the cabin. So yeah, I would definitely go for it. I think it's located there, and yeah, you can easily fix it there and there. So here are some accessories: AMG private lounge, emergency vests, and booklet, floor mats, this kind of stuff. So I really like how this looks, and also I like this one. So yeah, I would go for the black one, but this is second one for me. So this one is the first choice, and this car is the second choice. So yeah, but I really miss the leather, so maybe it's possible to add afterwards, I'm not sure, but yeah, the leather and the roof I really like. So yeah, alright, so we need to close this also, and the last one would be this one. So we need to close all doors, just make sure all of them are closed. Okay. Also, if you lock and unlock, yeah, very brutal sound. So one more time, procedure. Okay. It's also very satisfying to closing these doors. And we need to once again close this one. And this one, last one. Okay, you need to slam them really nicely in order to close them properly. Alright guys, so let me know which out of these three is your favorite in the comment section down below. Mine is the black one with the platinum white and black interior, and the second I would go for the historic blue or China blue, and the third one would be this one for me. So let me know your order in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching and your support, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.